Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have item for all the sisters out there, the Sister Squad shirt. If you're looking for the perfect blend of comfort and style, this is it. This shirt isn't just any ordinary tee. It's crafted from 100% cotton, ensuring a soft and luxurious feel. Whether you're hanging out at home or heading out with friends, this shirt promises comfort all day long. Let's talk about what sets this shirt apart. Firstly, it comes in a modern unisex fit, which means it's designed to be flattering for both men and women. However, for the ladies, we recommend sizing down for a perfect fit. It's available in a range of sizes and this heather mauve color you see here. The fabric is pre-laundered to minimize shrinkage, ensuring it stays true to size wash after wash. Now, styling this shirt is a breeze. Pair it with jeans for a casual look, or dress it up with leggings for a comfy yet chic ensemble. It's versatile enough to be worn on any occasion. Taking care of your Sister Squad shirt is easy too. Simply machine wash it on a delicate cycle, inside out, with cold water. For best results, hang dry or tumble dry on low heat. So, whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for a thoughtful gift for your sister, this shirt from Blue Sand Textiles is a top-notch choice. Comfortable, stylish, and perfect for showing off your sisterly love. That wraps up today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to never miss another update from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay stylish.